Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. We can see today we're starting the week strong. As you've probably seen already, Zilliqa is up 49% here, making it a top 100 crypto once again with a $418 million market cap. So the year to date for this bad boy right here is looking very, very positive, and things are moving quite euphorically. We can see that last week it was just trading sideways and then bam, a huge pump to the upside. So is this an artificial pump? Is it going to see a major correction? Does it look like we can go short? Let's have a little look at what's going on in the crypto space right now. So this is the Zilliqa website if you're not familiar with it. Design, build and use powerful dApps. It's low cost, highly scalable, very, very environmentally friendly as well. And we can see supporting this pump, Bitcoin has finally broken out of a key resistance of roughly $17,000. So it's a green week for alts. It's a green week for all cryptos. Hopefully we can see this positive momentum carry out through to the end of the week and close Bitcoin above the next resistance at $17,600. If you're new to the channel, by the way, guys, get yourself into my Discord down below. There's over 3,000 people in here and it's definitely worth being a part of the community. The link is down below for you. Come say hi. And yeah, we can see Zilliqa obviously know something good is happening. So they've said, good morning, Zilliqa fam. Lots of people have made a lot of money from some crazy sort of degen plays here, like a 20x leverage. This guy made some big money from the recent pump. And yeah, people are just getting very, very bullish and euphoric about Zilliqa finally starting to pump again. Although it's really, really on a very long road to recovery. We can see as well, Torch, the Web3 smart contract wallet will be able to onboard millions of people, and it's now live. So this is really, really strong for the ecosystem and for the entire Zilliqa ecosystem as well. So we should see some more unique wallets, unique users funnel into the Zilliqa ecosystem from this particular protocol update. And I think, you know, coins are always focused on upgrading and developing during a bear market. It's always a very, very big green flag. So here is what I see on Zilliqa at the moment. So just looking back in time for Zilliqa, we can see around sort of the start of 2021, when things got really euphoric very, very quickly. That is when this particular phase here, this is when we started to see a bearish divergence on the price structure. We're putting through higher highs, but we were putting through a lower high on the RSI. So that was the first sort of signal of saying, okay, we need to start thinking about taking profits here. But usually you don't see these bearish divergences because you're too focused on the short-term play. But what we can see is, of course, we've got major resistance here. We had a touch at 25 cents and we had that second Metapolis metaverse announcement pump at 0.23, and then we instantly saw a blow off top and straight into a downtrend. So what then happened is that we saw continuation to the downside. You know, we're overbought on the weekly RSI, as we can see as well. That's always a bearish indicator, in my opinion. You want to start thinking about taking profits when we do see these overbought positions on the weekly RSI. Vice versa, if you're oversold on the RSI on the weekly time frame, you could think about buying. And what's happened is ZIL has tumbled down all the way to a low of 0.015, and this is a key resistance now. What we're trying to battle through, this 0.02672 level, is a real big resistance, because if we go back in time all the way to 2019, we can see this was a resistance level in 2019, 0.027. Came down, we tried to retest, got rejected that resistance, and ever since we've had many touches of bouncing of resistance and support at that 0.027 level. So again, even today, it's still acting as a key level of support. So hopefully we can see Zilliqa breakthrough. We've had two very, very strong looking green candles on the daily time frame. So super bullish price action here for Zilliqa, but unfortunately not enough momentum. So 77% pump over the last 10 days or so, but we have now entered overbought territory here on the relative strength index. So we can start looking at corrective phases, using fib tools, take the swing low to swing high. An area that we could start looking at for a correction could be the 0.382 at 0.022. I would expect some sort of downside from this level, guys, unless we really see Zilliqa bust through this resistance at 0.0268. It's quite hard to say what would truly happen. So constantly printing higher highs, higher lows at the same time, moving to a smaller time frame such as the 15. Starting to lose the structure here. So the highs are now rolling over. We are starting to see a little bit of loss of structure. As we can see there, maybe we're going to start printing a bit of a bull flag or something like that. As we see, we're starting to put some triangles into place now. Typically, you could see continuation to the upside, but we are in a bear market. It is difficult to say what might happen, but fingers crossed we can see more continuation to the upside here. I do think it's possible we might lose support and see some negative price action here because things are just getting very, very out of hand. Anyways, let me know what you think about Zilliqa. Do you think it will recover? It has a very, very long way to go in terms of recovery at the moment, and on the macro scale it does look like it is trading in one giant descending channel. Now I also wanted to mention this resistance here, because by the time Zilliqa does, if DCAing at these levels, I would be speculating that this is a nice time to sell, as opposed to waiting and getting too greedy at 20 cents. So if you're getting in at these levels, maybe, in my opinion, not financial advice, of course, nothing is financial advice, this is a great time to sell in a bull market at 13 cents, which would offer 422% increase. Just a bit of food for thought, it's my speculation here. I'd rather be selling on this resistance and waiting until 0.19. Other crazy things happening in crypto right now? Well, Dash to Trade pre-sale that I'm heavily exposed and invested in. You can check this pre-sale out down below. There's only 1 day and 13 hours remaining, so this could be really crazy. There's going to be centralized exchange listings for Dash to Trade on the 11th of January, so there's not a long time to go. It's going to be Bitmart, Lbank, Changely Bro, what's up, bro? And also, Gates.io. So there's 4 major exchanges it will be getting deployed on the same day. Liquidity at 9:30 a.m. 11th of January, I believe, where we can start trading on Uniswap at 9:30 a.m. and then centralized exchange listings and trading at 10 a.m. just 30 minutes following. So really, really bullish deployment. I think the scheduling this time is really, really strong compared to the other pre-sale IMPT. So if you want to have a little look, please do have a little look at the links down below. There's a few pre-sales there for you, and definitely get yourself into the Discord channel. It's really, really worth it. It's completely free. There are subscription options if you do want to unlock more things in the Discord, but I recommend just getting into it, coming in fresh, say hi, and make some crypto friends. Anyways, see you soon, guys. Take care. Bye for now.